Hello everyone, this is the 42nd video of the web programming video series. Today we are going to discuss about the programming part of the admin homepage. In my last video, we designed the admin homepage. Today we'll program the admin homepage. Okay, now we are in the admin dashboard. Here I have programmed to display the daily earnings, monthly earnings, today's earnings, monthly sellings, total sellings and total engagements. So today we haven't done any transaction yet. So our daily earning is 0. We'll purchase a product. Okay, now a user is going to purchase a product. Okay, now we have purchased a product. Now you can see our daily earning is 10,450 and today's sellings one item. So when the users purchase products, our daily earnings increase, and also our monthly earnings also increase by that amount. Now here we have programmed the total active hours. When we refresh, you can see our active hours increase. Here we show the mostly sold item. So today we have the users have only purchased one product. So the most sold item is that product, Samsung Galaxy S20. And the most famous seller will be the seller who sell the most sold items. So today only one product is sold. So that product and the seller of that product will be displayed here. Okay, that's all about the summarized report in that dashboard. We'll go to see the codes. Okay, this is the admin panel.php file. Here we have written the codes for the programming part of the daily earnings. First we have taken the today's date, and also we have taken the month and the year of the current date. Then here we have selected the data from the invoice, and also we have taken the date. We have used the for loop, and we have taken the date of each and every invoice ID, and we have taken the date separately and the time separately. Then we have taken, here we have checked whether the today's date is equal to the invoice date. So if the today's date is equal to the invoice date, we are going to get the sum of totals in that invoice, and also we are going to take the sum of quantity in those invoices. So using the sum of the totals in the invoice data, we can get the daily earnings, and also we can get the today's sellings the quantity using that query. Now here we are going to echo that number of items and the total selling amount. Similarly, for the monthly earnings, we are going to calculate the sum of invoice totals for that month. Here we have taken the current month using this query data. So here we have checked whether the current month is equal to the invoice month. So if it is equal, we are going to take the sum of the totals in the invoice data. Similarly, we are going to take the sum of quantities also. So here we are going to display those two amounts. Here in the total engagements, we are going to show the number of users registered in our website. So that amount will be displayed here, and we get the number of users using this query. Next, we have taken the current date. So there we are going to check the most sold amount using this query. And we are going to display the details of that product here. Here we have to get the count of the product ID so that we can display that sold items here. Similarly, we are going to show the most famous seller. There we are going to get the name of the user who sells that mostly famous product. So here using these queries, we are going to see the user's name and the email and the mobile number of the seller who sells the most famous product. So if the sellings of that day is 0, we are going to just keep the spaces blank so that no profile picture or image will be displayed. Here we just keep a space. So when talking about the active hours, here we are going to get the start date. Here we have started it on September 27th, and we take the end date as the current date time. So using this line code, we are going to get the difference of the start date and the end date. So that difference will be displayed here in the total active hours row. So that is all about the summarized report of the dashboard. This is the end of my video. Thank you.